I just finished my 7-day AI challenge. And honestly, the final result surprised me. Because when I started this challenge, I had a completely different expectation. I thought AI would change everything. Study faster, work faster, become more productive, maybe even help me start earning faster. Because that's what the internet feels like. Open AI, use prompts, watch magic happen. Simple, at least. That's what I believed. But after actually using AI every day for 7 days, I learned something completely different. So let me tell you exactly what happened. Day 1, I started with excitement. I opened my laptop and searched for ideas. And suddenly, I found hundreds of possibilities. Study tools, AI side hustles, productivity systems, ways to make money, ways to learn faster. Everything looked useful. Everything looked exciting. And honestly, that became a problem. Because too many ideas don't create progress. They create confusion. I spent more time thinking than doing. And that was my first lesson. Day 3, things got harder. Because I was putting in effort. Learning, posting, trying things, taking action. But results? Almost invisible. Nothing exciting happened. No crazy moment. No huge success. And honestly, I almost quit. Because when you work and see nothing happen, you start questioning yourself. You think, maybe this isn't working. Maybe I should stop. Maybe I'm wasting time. And that feeling is dangerous. Because most people quit there. Not because they're bad. Not because they failed. Because they stopped too early. Luckily, I kept going. Then day 5 happened. And this is where things change. Not because I suddenly became successful. Not because money started falling from the sky. Because I noticed something small. Tiny improvements. Better ideas. Better focus. Better messages. More confidence. And I realized something important. Progress doesn't always arrive loudly. Sometimes progress is quiet. Small wins don't feel powerful in the moment. But they stack. One improvement becomes another. Then another. And eventually, you realize you're moving. By day 7, I had one big realization. AI was never the main lesson. Consistency was. Because AI didn't wake up and do the work. AI didn't stay disciplined. AI didn't take action. I did. AI simply made things easier. It removed friction. It helped me think faster. Organize better. Learn quicker. But the real change came from showing up every day. Now here's my final result. Did I become rich? No. Did I suddenly make huge money? No. Did my life completely change in 1 week? Also no. But something did change. I became more organized, more focused, more aware of how I work. And honestly, that matters more. Because shortcuts don't build growth. Systems do. Consistency does. Action does. That was my biggest lesson after 7 days. And if you're starting something, don't expect magic. Expect progress. Small progress. Because small progress becomes big progress. And that's the real result of this challenge. I built a free AI website for students, tools, productivity systems, and earning guides. Link in bio or description. Follow and subscribe for more.